How to invest in stocks without losing your shirt. Ever put your money in a stock and watch it drop faster than your phone when you forget it's in your lap? Yeah. Me too. Investing in stocks can be exciting, but it's also where people make some pretty hilarious and costly mistakes. But today, we're gonna change that. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to invest in stocks without losing your mind or your rent money. Let's go. What is a stock? Alright, let's start with the basics. A stock is essentially a tiny piece of a company. Common mistakes beginners make. Before you dive in, let's talk about how not to invest. Mistake 1. YOLO investing. You hear about a hot stock and throw your money at it like it's a carnival game. Spoiler alert, you usually lose. Mistake 2. Timing the market. No, you're not a psychic. Trying to buy at the perfect moment is like waiting for the perfect wave. You'll probably just wipe out. Mistake 3. Going all in. Putting all your money into one stock is like betting everything on one horse. And that horse, it might just trip and fall. How to invest smartly. So how do you actually win at this game? Here's the playbook. Step 1. Start small. Invest what you can afford to lose. Your rent money is not an option. Step 2. Diversify. Fancy words, simple meaning. Spread your investments across different stocks, ETFs, or even index funds. Step 3. Think long-term. Stocks are a long game. If you panic and sell every time the market dips, you're gonna have a bad time. Step 4. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. It's like buying snacks in bulk, better value over time. Tools and platforms to get started. Good news. You don't need to be a Wall Street bro to start investing. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Webull make it super easy. But remember, just because an app makes investing fun doesn't mean it's a game. Be smart, do your research, and always double-check before clicking buy. And there you have it. Investing in stocks isn't as scary as it seems. Start small, spread your bets, and think long-term. And hey, if you learned something today, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment about the worst investment mistake you've ever made. Let's all learn together, and hopefully, get rich together too. See you in the next one.